Good afternoon, honorable judges, adjudicators, and audience. My name is Ngurah Gede Febri Putra Negara. I am from Senior High School 1 Tegal Delimo. So right now I'm standing here. I will give my view about the second motion that said this house believes that school should expel students who commit bullying. Is right or not? First of all, we need to know what is bullying. Why it happen in Indonesia, especially in my territory, in my school, in Tegal Delimo. Bullying is kind when someone doing something harmful to other person or a group and then make them feel uncomfortable. But Mr. Professor Carl Morgan said from University of Idaho, he said that bullying is not always same as the definition of bullying. He said that bullying can give a positive impact because bullying can give motivation to a person who get bullied. Example, when someone get a low score in exam and then he got bullied by his friends or other person, so that can be her motivation to do a better and a good and get a good score for his exam. In my recent data, I have find data recently in a day. Schools should expel students who commit bullying can give a positive impact. Expelling students who bully creates a clear, zero tolerance policy. It sets a firm precedent that bullying will not be tolerated, creating a safer environment for all students. By establishing strict consequences, school can deter future incidents. If we see the data in my school, 21 cases about bullying give a negative impact to a person or a group. So it's contradiction with what Professor Carl Morgan said. And bullying can have several psychological effects on victims, including anxiety, depression, and lower academic performance. Removing the bully from school ensure the victim can feel safe and return to a positive learning environment where they were being prioritized. So, schools have a duty to maintain a safe, inclusive, and supportive atmosphere. Allowing bullies to say may harm the school reputation and discourage parents from enrolling their children. So it will attack the school social environment in reputation. Expelling bullies help preserve the school commitment to fostering respect and kindness. But if we say in other point of view, expelling students disrupt the education and may exacerbate the problem, especially if the bullying stems from personal or family issues. Expelled students may end up in an environment where they are more likely to engage in negative behavior, reducing their chance of academic success that will give them to a negative things already like what he does before. Simply removing a bully doesn't address the root of the issue. It's not punish it rather than solve. Bullying is often a symptom of larger problems such as pressure, home environment, or personal insecurities. Schools should take a restorative approach that resolve conflict and foster understanding. Not all bullying cases are the same. Like Professor Carl Morgan said, bullying is not always give a negative impact, but also can give a positive impact. And threatening all cases with expulsion can be unfair. There should be a distinction between minor incident and severe repeated case. A more nuanced approach will involve evaluating each case individually and applying appropriate consequence, such as mediation or in-school suspension. So we can conclude that on the balance between ensuring a safe environment for all students and offering a chance for redemption to those who engage in harmful behavior, while expulsion offers immediate protection, it may not address the long-term challenge of preventing and resolving bullying. So that's what I was saying about. If you see and listening my video right now from the first argument until now, you can clearly know what I will say about, what I will gonna say about. So that's all. Thank you very much. See ya.